and I'm going to quickly shift now to this microphone. We'll see how much difference does it make. So now the audio that you're hearing is coming out of this condenser microphone. Now you guys can tell me if this is making any difference. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we'll be unboxing this condenser microphone that you see in the background here. I purchased this microphone today from a local shop. If you're from Rawalpindi, Islamabad, you would definitely know about Karachi Camera Center. If you're into cameras or microphones, I heard a lot of good things about it. Usually my videos are sitting here on the desk and then speaking to you guys. So I thought that this is going to be very helpful for me. Let's quickly go ahead and first unbox this thing and see what comes inside the box. Once we are back, I'm also going to connect this to my PC and I'll give you a before and after. So for example, the audio that you're hearing right now, it's coming out of this microphone. This is a microphone that I purchased recently from Darals. And the audio that you'll be hearing after we unbox and connect this microphone, that will be from this microphone. And you'll be able to tell the difference between this microphone and this one. And you'll know if this is worth the price. This is a little expensive than this one. Obviously, talking about the price, I'll reveal the price at the end of the video. I'll tell you how much it cost me within Pakistan. So you'll be able to see the difference in the price. You'll be able to tell about the quality, and obviously you'll be able to decide whether you should be investing your money in this one, or maybe there are a lot of other options that are a little more expensive but maybe better than this. This is going to be a helpful video for especially those who are thinking about purchasing this microphone right now or maybe in the near future. So stay tuned, watch this video till the very end. Let's quickly go ahead and unbox this and see what comes inside the box. So this is the microphone's box. It says condenser microphone on it, and it also says professional condenser microphone. I'm really not sure what's the company, who's the make of this, but yeah, it just says professional condenser, professional microphone. When you open it up, you're going to see multiple different attachments. So they mentioned in the beginning that you have to assemble these after you open up the box. But this is what comes inside the box. Now, I would not know names of these products. You can just see for yourself. And you might have seen these in a lot of videos where YouTubers use these streaming and podcasts. This thing connects next to your microphone and it helps making your voice clear. And it filters out a lot of those unnecessary noises. After that, you're going to see this cable. Now you would see two cables with it. One, because we have the phantom power with it. So that cable, the shopkeeper added in the same box. Now this is the cable that is going to connect with your PC. One end connects to your PC and in the audio jack, and the other one's going to connect with your microphone. If you connect the microphone directly, it connects to your microphone. Otherwise, it connects to the phantom power. Now this is a booklet. Nothing much inside the booklet, to be very honest. It did not say how to connect, how to assemble it, anything. This connects along with the tripod or the thing that actually mounts the microphone. The build quality of this is pretty good. It is pretty solid. And after that, inside the box, let's get to the mic itself. Now the mic's color, some people would love it, some people might not like it a lot. To be honest, I didn't like it, so I was very happy that it comes with this thing that you can actually put on top of it so that you can hide that color, because I am, to be very honest, not a big fan of this color. In fact, I spoke to the shopkeeper, asked him if there's any other color available. He said, no, this is the only color available. So I had to unfortunately go with that color. Now, this is actually going to be mounted on your table. So you connect this thing on your table. The build quality is pretty good as well. This thing is going to hold it very sturdy. So even if you put it on top of your table, now I have actually mounted this on where my keyboard stays on my desk, and it is pretty solid and sturdy. Now this comes as an extra piece. So if you don't want to mount it on your table, but you want to mount it on a tripod, you can utilize this. You can mount this on a tripod as well. And apart from that, this is a jack that comes, or a tripod you can say, that is going to help you connect your microphone to your table. And you connect one part to your table, and that upper part is going to be connected to your microphone. As I said in the beginning, if you guys want me to make a video on how to assemble this, I can do that for you. right now. I did not add that part in this video, otherwise the video would have been very lengthy. It's already quite a lengthy video, so I didn't want to make it more lengthy. Now that's what comes inside the box. Now I'm also going to give you a quick look at the phantom power that I purchased along with this microphone, because this is extremely important if you want your audio to be good and crisp and crystal clear. This thing is going to help you a lot, because this is going to give it extra power, and that extra power is going to help you improve your audio quality. Now there's not much on this box. So there's an input, there's an output, and there is a power option where you connect the power socket. That's pretty much what comes inside the phantom power box. Now let's go ahead and quickly connect it to my PC and see how the audio quality sounds. Okay, so we've unboxed this thing. Right now you're still hearing the audio from this wireless microphone, and I'm going to quickly shift now to this microphone. We'll see how much difference does it make. So now the audio that you're hearing is coming out of this condenser microphone. Now you guys can tell me if this is making any difference, if the sound quality that you're hearing right now is better than what you were hearing previously. Obviously, this includes everything. This includes the echo, the background noise. This includes the clarity of the voice. So you can easily tell if this is worth the price or not. Now, connection is pretty simple, but obviously, if you're doing it for the first time, it's a little bit fun if you're into making things and assembling things. So I like assembling things. So it took me a little time to figure out what goes where. When you open up the box, there are multiple different pieces of it that you just need to open up and assemble it. So I've assembled this. If you want to see a video on the assembly, I can make another video and I can share that with you guys, but I thought not to add that to this video, because this is specifically related to unboxing and reviewing this product. Now this is the audio quality of this. Obviously not raw audio that you just connect your microphone to your PC and you hear this audio. Obviously there's other things that are a part of that as well. And I also have an extra device connected to this. What is this device called? Give me 1 second. Let me check on the box. Okay, so it's this thing. I spoke to the shopkeeper. I told him that I do have other microphones that I use as well, and what difference would this make? Because if I connect it to my PC, maybe the audio is not going to be that good. So he suggested that I should purchase this device along with the microphone, and that is how my quality is going to sound better, the voice quality. Because this has power, this connects to your power socket. Now when you connect it to your power socket, you connect one wire from your PC into the phantom power, and then from the phantom power it comes to your microphone. It gives that a little bit more power, and then your audio is going to sound slightly crispier and slightly better. Once I've used this myself for a few days, I'll be able to tell you guys more about this, because I'll be exploring that as well. This is the very first time I'm using it. Not, as I said, raw audio. I played with some settings in OBS Studio. I'm using OBS Studio, by the way, right now to make this video. So I'll walk you through those settings as well. I'll definitely make another video in which I'll tell you what settings to choose and what changes you need to make in the settings in order for your audio quality to sound slightly better and the background noise to be removed. Because I've seen a lot of people purchasing these microphones and connecting to their PCs, and if you watch those videos, the audio quality is still not very good, to be honest, right? It could be better if they simply use a lavalier microphone, which are the very cheap ones. But if you're investing your money into these type of microphones, I think it's worth the time that you invest in maybe researching a little bit and trying to learn how to make the audio quality better. And obviously, if you're purchasing an expensive equipment, it's worth the time to learn to properly utilize those products. If you like the video, do hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. It helps a lot. Now I try not to waste your time. I try to go through these videos very quickly and provide you as much information as possible. If you are into that type of thing, subscribe to the channel and do appreciate the content. If you like it, if you don't, suggestions are most welcome. You can let me know how can I make my content even better. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.